3, 2, 1. I am an artist and citizen scientist.
They put their passion into it and then they display it for you to see.
We need a free, immersive art installation that doubles as a flower shop. Right now you're sitting in the Moonbeam Conservatory, which is essentially the world's only glowing flower shop. We have over 13,000 phosphorescent flowers. I have an entire collection of insects that I've crystallized in my lab, my published books. Essentially anything I've thought of, as an artist or creatively exists in this space. And when I started crystallizing insects, people started asking, how can I buy this? And then I started having extra income. At some point, I was given this opportunity to make phosphorescent flowers and how that idea came up. And I took a leap and people responded really well to that. And that's grown to the point where I had to hire a whole team just to help me with the flowers.
Amazing, amazing, blown away. Giant building with beautiful, peaceful, glowing flowers and animals. And when I say animals, I mean like the chameleon and the bugs. They source everything themselves. They find the items themselves and they put their passion into it and then they display it for you to see.
We take flowers that dry really well, that are very sturdy. And we have a bunch of different fun little recipes and mixtures, but we take phosphorescent powder, minerals that have been synthesized and ground up into a very fine powder, and then we mix it in a clear base so that it suspends the particles. And then we have just different methods of coating and covering these flowers to preserve them and give them their phosphorescence. And then we hang them up to dry, and that's really it. It kind of feels like a bakery the way we line it up. We have every type of person that comes in here. We have had parents come in and bring their kids. These kids, they get to look around and be in awe. A lot of very curious, science-minded people. I've had people come in that I didn't think would care about glowing flowers. We had an older couple come in a couple of months ago and they sat here. They didn't buy anything and we didn't ask them to. They just sat here while we flipped the lights off. We do concerts here where every guest that comes gets a glowing flower to hold the entire show and take home. And so the performer looks out and sees 50 plus people holding a glowing flower for them. And then they get to see us performer surrounded by thousands of glowing flowers themselves. We close the blinds. No one on the outside knows what's happening in here. And when you're done, you step outside and I was like, where was I? And then we do free meditations. We work with a trauma-informed meditation guide. And we do guided meditations followed by sound baths. Those are free. And then we do workshops. I'm starting a men's craft night series. People come in very frequently wanting to see the entire space glow all at once. And so we have a thing where we tell people every day from 4 to 5, we end our day by blacking out the entire space and letting people shop in the dark. And so if people want to come and see the whole space illuminated, I say come at the end of the day if you have time, and we can black the whole space out for you. 3, 2, 1. It's hard to really tell people how long it will last, but we do know that the pigments themselves keep their glow quality for at least a minimum of like 30 years. I've joked with people that these flowers will outlive you. There's a good chance you have these flowers, you die, and then your loved ones put them on your grave. And that's really cool. That's really freaking cool.